told to count on my 10 fingers and 10 toes. Still, it has to be told as if it would be a pity if it were forgotten. Let's start at the beginning, okay?
Once upon a time, the Grand Emperor of China built the most beautiful palace ever.
The palace was made from the finest porcelain and shined brightly in the sunshine. The garden was filled with exquisite flowers of every...
Nightingale song. I wonder what he's referring to.
I'm not sure.
What is the meaning of this song, Bard? Who has met this Nightingale?
I've never heard anyone say anything about her before.
Pat, I've surely never heard the name Nightingale before. Well, she's never been presented at court. That's...
Sing pages, all world knows I possess this marvelous bird. Yet I myself know nothing about her. Who is trying to make the Emperor look like a fool?
I shall look for her, Your Majesty, and certainly will find her.
Have you seen Nightingale? No! Have you seen Nightingale? No! Have you seen the bird who sings so sweet? The people talk about in the street. Live the night with tweet, tweet, tweet. Have you seen her? Have you seen her? Have you seen Nightingale? No! Have you seen Nightingale? No! The Emperor wishes her to appear, sing her song in his royal ear. We can't rest till we bring her here. Have you seen her? Have you seen her? Have you seen the magic word? Sing the song you've never heard. Still you feel you know the tune when you hear her singing to the moon. Have you seen her? Have you seen her?
Yes, do go on. Tell us more.
Often on my way back when I feel tired, I rest for a moment by the seaside, and then I hear her sing. The nightingale sings so sweetly, it's as though my mother were kissing me.
Little kitchen maid, if you help us, I'll see that you are given a permanent position in the palace kitchen. And you can watch the Emperor eat his food.
Please lead us to the nightingale, for we need to bring her to the palace tonight. Said the assistant cook of the associate chef to the Imperial Majesty.
I introduced the nightingale to the royal court.
Good evening, Your Highness. Listen well and I will sing of a world seen on the wing. I will tell of near and far by the light of evening star. Listen well and I will sing of a world seen on the wing. I will tell of near and far by the light of evening star. By the evening sweet starlight, I will sing of wrong and right. I will sing of joy and fear for the one whose heart can hear.
Oh my, forgive me, but those are tears of joy. That is what your sweet song means to me.
It is my pleasure to bestow upon you this necklace with the golden slipper to wear as a token of our affection. I have seen tears of joy in the Emperor's eyes. What could be more precious than that? I have been amply rewarded. Nightingale, you shall remain here with us in the palace. Yes, but...
Where we have plenty of food to satisfy your hunger.
Yes, but...
And make the comfortable surroundings your new home.
Yes, but...
Yeah.
Marsupial, I'd like to offer this gift to you.
Behold, a new nightingale made from the finest jewels of Tokyo. Look at her. Look at colorful silk. Yeah, look at how brightly she's wrapped in colorful silk.
She has the sparkles with her body covered in gemstones.
Let's see what happens when we wind her up with this key.
Perfection possible.
My gears and cogs were crafted by 100 of Japan's finest engineers.
And what of your music?
My song was composed by 200 of Japan's most noteworthy composers.
And your beauty?
This is my debut just for you. It took over 5 years to make me in Tokyo.
It is my pleasure to... here's a necklace with the golden locket to wear as a token of our affection.
Let's take turns. Bring our lovely nightingale so we can hear them sing together.
Where is she? Oh my!
Where did she go?
Where'd she go? This is a fine state of affairs.
No, still the bird of the two birds.
You're absolutely right.
It's pretty good imitation, but there's something lacking. I can't explain what it is.
From now on, the nightingale shall be banished from this palace forever. We now possess this marvelous mechanical bird to sing to us all night long. I'm the chief mechanical fixture helper. After careful examination, it seems that the cogs inside the mechanical bird have worn out.
5 long years went by, little music and less singing. It was at this time that the emperor took to his bed.
Some say he was